Everyone wants to know what the market is going to do next. What if you could just ask an artificial intelligence? But I'm not talking about a simple bot, I'm talking about a predictive AI platform designed to analyze crypto but also stocks, forex and commodities. Today we are doing a deep dive into a project that's getting a lot of attention, has pretty dense of technical white paper. It's called Ozark AI and they are in the middle of their OC token presale. Let's see what's behind of this technology. So let's start with the problem Osakai AI is trying to solve. The white paper is very clear about this. Financial markets are fragmented. Think about it. You got your crypto exchange, your stockbroker app, maybe another for forex. It's a mess. And crypto itself is a maze, right? You got layer 2s, meme coins, gaming tokens. It's impossible to keep up. But the key insight that they have is that these markets are all connected. What happens in the stock market affects Bitcoin, yet our trading platforms are totally disconnected. That's the problem they are tackling. So what's their solution? A unified trading experience. But it's not just another exchange. The core of the idea from the white paper is the prediction agents. This isn't one single AI, it's a tool that lets you create and train your own custom AI analyst. For example, you can tell one to just watch meme coins or another to focus on gold and oil. And the second big buzzword here is DePIN, Decentralized Physical Infrastructure Network. This just means the whole system, the AI computing, the data storage is all run on a decentralized network of nodes, not on Amazon servers, which they claim makes it more secure and resilient. Okay, so that's the tech vision. How do you get involved? Through their OC token presale, which is live right now. As you can see on their site, they are in the phase 7 with the price at $0.014. They've already raised over $4.4 million. The process is pretty straightforward. First, you go to the official site. The only safe link is in my description. Second one, you click Connect Wallet. It works with MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet, all the usual suspects. Third one, you can buy with Ethereum, USDT or USDC on the Ethereum network. You just type on the amount you want, say 100 USDT, and it shows you exactly how much USD you will get. But this is critical and I need you to pay attention here. You will not get your tokens in your wallet today. This is a standard full legit presale. There is a vesting schedule. According to their site, you only get 10% of your tokens at the listing. The other 90% is unlocked gradually over 6 months. Honestly, this is a good sign. It's a mechanism to prevent people from dumping the token on day one and destroying the price. It encourages long-term thinking. Now let's talk about risk and credibility. This is the most important part for me. On the plus side, the website claims they are audited by Certic and Sherlock. Those are two of the biggest names in smart contract security, so that is a major checkmark. The white paper also talks about the team having deep expertise in AI and finance. Now we are going to the risks, and as always this is not a financial advice. First, execution risk. The white paper describes an incredibly ambitious and complex system. It's one thing to write it, it's another thing to build it. You are investing in a vision, not a finished product. And second, pre-sale risk. You are buying a token before it hits the open market. That's $1 target price they saw is a target, not a guarantee. So to wrap it up, Ozak AI is not a meme coin, it's a deep tech project trying to build a predictive AI brain on a DePIN infrastructure. The presale is the earliest opportunity to get in, but it also comes with the highest risk. If you want to start your own research, the official link is in the description. Read the white paper, join their community, and never invest money you can afford to lose. If you learned something new today, the best way to thank me is by hitting that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.